Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal, Nathan, man, back with ya. I apologize, guys, about last Wednesday. Been a busy time for me, but anyhow, for today, I'm going to show you guys how to shingle a small shed roof. Alrighty, here we go. How to shingle a shed with Nathan, man. Here we go. So you guys can see I got the drip edge. First thing you do, get it down. Here I am here. I've got some tar paper. Put down some of that. And you can see, put a drip edge along the side. You guys see, an old friend of mine shows up in just a second. So after I'm done talking with him, here he comes. There he is. After I'm done talking with him, I head back to work. So you guys can see at the very top there, I snip it right in the middle. And then I bend it over. Yeah, get some snips, a little bit of work, and bend it down. That way all the water drains off. That's one thing to keep in mind when you're doing this stuff, is always make sure that the water is going to be running off. It's not going to have any seams. So I'm getting my starter strips up. And I'm just using some shingles that are backwards. Sandals, pajamas, the whole bit. And I'm making sure I've got, when you look at your finger, I've always been told that that first little link in your finger is how much of an overhang you want. So I've always listened to him, and he taught me a lot of good stuff that way. And so I start doing that, and then you guys can see, just start laying the shingles. I'm going to show you guys both shots. So this is one side, and then you'll see I'll flip to the other. And you got to remember too, you want to make sure that everything overlaps, you know what I mean? Like there's no seam on seam, because then the water will find a way to leak in. You don't want that at all. It's optional with the tar paper too. I've seen some people not even bother, but that's just me. I got a big roll of it here. So here we go. Once I get near the top, I just kind of fold it over for now, and then I come back the next day. Get a little bit of a better shot at this way. See the starter strip? I'm just using my shingles backwards. Look at that. So you see, now that I've got my first one on, I use it as kind of like a marker for when I snip off the excess. See? Handy, eh? And then look, I flip it over, bring it over the other side. Yeah, I've got a hook blade attachment. Okay, so we got that much done. That's not bad. I think this the next day after that. Got a full strip there, another part on the other side. You'll see I start whipping through it pretty quick. Yeah. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh, I love the shingles. Yeah, look at that. That's looking awesome. If you guys want, you can always just slow down what I'm doing. You guys, if you look, you can see it's dimensional. There's no starting point, you know what I mean? Like, everything blends in nicely. Now I'm getting the roof caps on, which are some special shingles that are just for the peaks. Then at the very end, put some tar on the nail heads, okay? Because you'll have two of them exposed. Oh, that looks pretty good. I like it. Like it a lot. Squeaky chair. Well there, guys, if you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and please subscribe for more, guys, and hit that bell. I hope that you all have an awesome day wherever you are in the world. I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye.